Welcome to Jim's Kitchen. I am at my parents' snowbird resort, and we're just hanging out and having a good time. Here comes my mom. You remember her.
Hi guys, good to see you again.
And here we are in Florida. And
Yep.
guess what? We're gonna celebrate Florida by cooking a key lime dessert.
Yep,
Let's start with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese.
that's how you do it. We're gonna start this by beating it on high until it softens.
I'm gonna slowly beat it on low and add the sweetened condensed milk slowly.
14 ounces.
We have 3 key limes here that we're just gonna roll on a cutting board. We wanna get that all nice and juicy. Squeeze that juice into the mixture.
Continue beating on low until it's totally incorporated.
We got some graham crackers here. We just need to crush them and add them to a bowl. I did about 8 graham crackers.
We're going to add a couple tablespoons of melted butter. And this is going to go on the bottom of our little dishes and in between the filling.
We've got some serving cups all lined up. We're gonna start with the bottom layer of graham crackers.
Next comes a layer of the lime mixture.
Another layer of graham crackers.
We're going to add one more layer of the mixture.
Next, you need some whipped topping. Let's add that on top.
Ooh, that's going to be good.
Look how cute that looks with that lime and that graham cracker on top.
It does, doesn't it?
Let's get tasting. Bon appetit.
Really? I thought it was going to be sour.
It has a nice tartness and a great sweetness.
It's very good.
It is really good and refreshing. Perfect for this Florida weather.
What would you give it for a score?
I think I give it a 9.1 out of 10.
Good for you.
You are a bon appetit. What do you call a lime that likes to play the piano?
A key lime.
It's been so awesome getting to hang out with you in Florida, Ma.
I agree.